Hello, in this video we will provide you a brief introduction to the three different web interfaces available for your AREC Media Station. To access these interfaces, simply open a web browser like Edge or Chrome and input the Media Station's IP address into the URL bar. Provided your computer is on the same network or connected directly to the LAN port of the station, you will gain access to the web UI immediately. Before logging in, you can choose to change the language by clicking on the globe icon on the upper right corner and selecting one of the available options. More languages are periodically added. If you cannot find the language you wish to use, you can request it through our website. The first interface is the administrator page, where you can configure all basic and advanced settings for your station, such as network configurations, video and audio inputs and outputs, recording and streaming parameters, and more. Next, we have the Online Director. This interface allows you to manage your live video production, giving you the ability to control recording and streaming, switch video compositions, backgrounds and overlays, and monitor audio and live feeds. The final interface is the Video Manager. Here, you can access all of the content recorded on the media station, along with its metadata, bookmarks, and other relevant information. For more training videos and detailed information about each of these pages, visit our YouTube channel at ADENA channel or our website www.a-dena.com.